Over a standard crankshaft pulley damper assembly, these are far superior, slightly bigger in diameter, but also you'll find most of the older crankshaft pulley and dampers now, the rubber has perished, the outer runs out of true to the centre, the bores are worn out, they're only made of cast iron and they do crack along the keyway, so bin them, buy a new one. Steel, proper bonding, absolutely superb piece of kit. Here's one that's been machined but it's not actually bonded together yet. This is the hub that bolts onto the crankshaft pulley and this is the actual damper itself. Now you'll see this one's made of black anodised aluminium, this one is steel. So this actually fits over here, and when it's assembled, in between the steel and the aluminium, it's bonded together with rubber. I'll show you one that's fully assembled now. Here's a boxed one that we'll get out. Okay, so here we go. So what we do is, the damper, now you can see the bonding here. You can't see it underneath because it's underneath this pulley. We then bolt them together, Allen cap screws, torque them up. We then put them on the balancer and we balance them prior to sending them out. So you can see this one, it's got a little balance drill hole, just perfectly in balance. So when you get it, fit it straight on the engine, we know it's right. Also comes with one of our bolts, slightly longer than standard. Also includes a special washer, which is heat treated. Here's the standard pulley. This is before the damper's bolted on. So as you can see there, what there is there's a location here that centralises the damper on the pulley, so we know everything's running true. Standard V-belt configuration. This will go on any Mini A-Series engine. Further on then, we go to this pulley. This is the standard management pulley. So this will fit straight onto a standard engine with a tin timing cover, and then this is the pickup. So this will literally sit down here and this will sense the missing tooth, which we don't cut off because some people don't buy our pickup and bracket and they use their own. We then go on to this one, which is an alternative management pulley. This one will work on engines, motorbike conversion, K conversion. It will work on belt drive conversions and our new alloy timing cover. Now what you'll notice on this one is the teeth are positioned outwards, whereas on this one they're positioned backwards. So these are removed on here and put on here to clear anything that's behind there, i.e. 16 valve belt. And then we have obviously a pickup bracket and pickup that will fit to marry up with these teeth. It picks up from there, so the bracket comes around at a different angle and picks up from there. This locking plate locates via the 4 cap screws and it actually locks onto the bolt itself. So once you've got the bolt in place locked, drop the plate on, undo the cap screws, put the cap screws through, lock those off. Absolutely bomb proof. It will not come undone with that in place. A must on race engines. 3 pulleys, 1 damper, locking ring, various pickups and brackets, and the bolt. You can buy them all individually or as built up kits.